What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Man, I love that view. Let me know in the comments where's your favorite road. But today looks nice, water looks good, we're about to have some fun. Hope we get some crowd. You know the best thing about motorcycles is I can fit everywhere. Haha, perfect parking.
Joy worked hard together. No, but then she came because I was like, there's a female too.
See him.
Is this small?
From here to here. It was only 6 inches.
Bye.
Okay,
You're like 2.5 inches short. And it's a girl.
Not only well, what is it supposed to be? A male?
Male, yeah.
Why are we crying? pros I like taking my bike to the beach is that I don't have to worry about parking. I could always just stash it on the side and it's safe.
quick and easy. But the only thing is that like you can't really bring stuff, you know, to enjoy for anybody else other than your things. Especially if like you vlog, you need your camera, batteries and all that stuff. Other than that, you have no space for anything else other than your clothes. So that kind of sucks, but quick and easy, in and out. How I like it. But sun's going down, and I think I'm gonna just wrap everything up right here. If something pops up on my way home, I'm gonna add it up. But if you got this far, thank you for watching. I hope you can hear me because I have my visors up. But thanks for watching. Till next time, see ya.